Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk about phone holders. We have this magnetic flex mount. We sell it on our site. I think it's a great idea for Mother's Day, coming up soon, and it's not expensive. There, it locks in. Then you have two options for the metal piece that goes on the back of the phone. There you go. I'm going to center it, and I'm going to mount this on my glass on the windshield of the car, and that's how it's going to look. Just press it up against the suction cup, tightens it down, then you can just grab your phone every time you get in the car. Pop, there it is. Out of your vision, it's right here at your fingertips, and you can go down the road, turn it this way for GPS, however you want to do it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.